Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to take attendance in Google Sheets. This is a super practical way to track student or employee attendance digitally, and it'll help you calculate attendance counts and percentages automatically. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to go to workspace.google.com and log in to your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Workspace dashboard where all your files and spreadsheets are stored. Now from the dashboard, simply click on the spreadsheet where you want to take attendance. This could be an existing sheet you've already set up, or you might be starting fresh with a new one. For this tutorial, I have a sample sheet ready with columns labeled Student, Monday through Friday, Count, and Percent. This structure will make tracking attendance straightforward and organized. Next, select all the cells inside the Monday to Friday columns. These are the cells where you'll be marking attendance for each day of the week. Once you've highlighted them, head up to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, click on Checkbox. This will add checkboxes to all the selected cells, making it easy to mark attendance with a simple click. Now let's say you want to mark attendance for each student from Monday to Friday. Just click the checkboxes for the days each student was present. For example, if a student attended on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you check those 3 boxes in their row. This visual method is clean and intuitive, and it's much faster than typing yes or no into each cell. Once you've checked the boxes, it's time to calculate the attendance count. Click on a cell in the count column and type equals count if open parenthesis. Then click the first cell under Monday and hold the Shift key while clicking the first cell under Friday. This selects the range of days for that student. Next, add a comma and type true in capital letters, then close the parenthesis and hit enter. This formula counts how many days the student was present based on the checkboxes you marked. Now to apply this formula to all students, drag the small blue circle at the bottom right corner of the cell downwards. This auto-fills the formula for each row, calculating the attendance count for every student automatically. Next, let's calculate the attendance percentage. Click on a cell in the percent column and type equals count if open parenthesis. Select the same range again from the first cell under Monday to the first cell under Friday, then add a comma and type true. Close the parenthesis, then add a forward slash or divide symbol and type 5 for the 5 days of the week. Hit enter. This formula divides the number of days present by 5 to give you a decimal value. To convert this into a percentage, click the percent icon at the top of the toolbar. This will format the number as a percentage. Finally, drag the small blue circle under the cell downwards to apply this formula to all students. And that's it. You've now set up a fully functional attendance tracker in Google Sheets with automatic count and percentage calculations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.